And we are live. Okay. Hello world. This is this the correct day? Day 168. Okay. I was studying compilers every day until I landed a compiler role. Last time we finally got code to actually run, which is an incredible output, but there's two small problems left to resolve. The first is that our what is my mic doing? Anyway, the first problem that we need to resolve is there's some like small correctness issues with our tests. So somewhere our tests are not outputting the correct numbers, and we need to figure out why. The second thing is that one of them seg faults, which is obviously bad. So I'd like to get that figured out as well. So yeah, I guess we can start with the seg faulting test. What's good, Lane? Good to see you. Yeah, so this is all the slush we did. Yeah, let's look at, I guess, which one is seg faulting again? It was build, bin, panic, test, regression, input. It was params, or wait, no, it was the params, or test, regression, input, or expected. Params s dot s. Wait, that does. Wait, no. This one was fine. It was many reg. 16 straight hours really come on Zig. Ooh, what were you looking at specifically? Test was actually not this one. It was. I'm trying to remember which one. It was many reg s. There we go. So now if we run a dot out, seg fault. Okay. So let's look at many reg. So what could be seg faulting here? I guess we could step through it with a debugger, huh? Yeah, let's just gdb a dot out. No, we'll just. Okay, well, I guess we could look through this. Woke up at 2 AM to get an early start on reg. Oh, I mean, that happens, yeah. I guess, like, that's a good way to make something out of the day, at least, even if it went, unfortunately. Stack. Let's trace. Oh, that doesn't help me. Okay. Let's see. What do we even break at? This is not helpful. Break at main. Let's list all this. List. What was it? What's the command? Break points. Okay, this is not going very smoothly, actually. Let's look up a cheat sheet again. I think this one was good. Info, that's what it was. There we go. Okay. Run. Where's the TUI stuff? Oh, wait. Actually, I don't know. This is awkward because we don't embed any debug info. So this This makes this very difficult to debug our binaries. Yeah, this is awful. Let's try this out. Run. Info args. This sucks. This really sucks. Okay, well this is not gonna work. I guess we kind of just have to look through this by hand, figure out what is segfaulting. Yeah, y'all got a clue? I don't really see what's happening. This is just one giant slush pile. So that should be fine. Interesting that nothing gets spilled, really. We just like save and restore a bunch of registers. Let's try something. Let's see if ChatGPT can do this. Because I'm tired. It's only been around 3 or so days since I started relearning Zig. Would be too bold to say it's a worthy replacement. I think that might be a little bit soon. I think you'd have to like write some substantive projects before giving it like an official opinion. Oh. Wait, why is it spilling into... That's so stupid. Okay, let's not write to ESP on second thought. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Let's get at him. Alright, let's fix our coloring. So let's do 15 registers, because we should not write to the stack pointer. That would be very troll. So we're just gonna color to 15, and then... let's see, where else do we need to change things? In register num? Coloring priority. Let's just get rid of RSP from that, actually. Because we should not be coloring RSP. Make build. So we've just changed it to 15 registers, sort of. And hopefully that resolves all of our issues. Many reg changes, it appears. A lot, it appears. Give it a second. I feel like this shouldn't take this long. Yeah, why is this taking so long? That shouldn't be a problem. Oh, there we go. Oh, that changed a lot, actually. Huh. Okay, let's diff test. Wow, okay. So it didn't actually change anything substantive. I guess it just did some reordering? That's interesting. Wait, so what changed then? That doesn't make sense. Like, is it just like a hashing order thing that went awry? Wait. Let's look at this again. Yeah, so that is all we got rid of. Huh. So I'm not sure why this order changed. We just swapped the registers, I guess, which is kind of funny. none of this should really matter except for like, yeah, I guess let's just change the order, which is like fine. That's really odd though. Why would it change? Well, whatever. Yeah, let's keep looking. Wait, what changed here? Oh, we use a different register now? What? Wait, what just happened? Why is this generating? Was this not generating before? Wait, what? What the f— Oh, we have to save more stuff. I see. That made a mess. Yeah, okay. I see what happened then. Yeah, so we can't— we don't use ESP anymore, right? So there's no ESP in here. There wasn't to begin with. The test case that we cared about was the next one, I think? Or was the other one? So it's still not this one. This one's whatever. We just changed the order a little. I don't understand why that changed, but sure. Where do we use it? Okay, well none of these are interesting. Let's keep looking. Shouldn't be there as well. These just make a mess. That's like fine. I guess I wasn't expecting that to be as ugly as it was. Many-reg. Okay, here we go. Is this the interesting one, or is it the next one that's interesting? Ah, here we are, I think. Why did this change, though? Do you have to do a lot of spilling now? Oh my god, we have to do a lot of spilling. Okay, I see. This makes sense. And the reason we had to do a lot of spilling was because— yeah, so this used EDI. So we couldn't use EDI. So we had to regenerate all of this. Wow. Wow, okay, that makes a lot of sense. The amount of stuff one register does. That's so cool. Yeah, okay, that seems reasonable. And then this one is the extension of that, so that will also have the same problem. Okay. So then source. So then those two are changed. Do not color with RSP. Okay. So now if we go to this test directory, so let's copy from Panic. Actually, can we just reverse search this? Okay, that's not what I want. Russian expected star.s asm slash. Okay, and those were all changed today, so that's good. Let's run that on asm. And hopefully nothing segfaults. It looks like nothing segfaults, which is nice. So now we just need to check these return values. That's a bug that I guess makes a lot of sense. I'm kind of just surprised that we got to that point. But, I mean, so it goes. Yeah, okay. So that's one big bug. Done. The next thing I want to do is I want to compare all of these, at least, with each other. Let's write this to a buffer instead. because this is really annoying me. Oh, emojis. God damn it. Okay, let's find the chat real quick and let's fix the script because this is irritating me. Actually, no. Let's do this by hand. Let's clean this up by hand. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, even the emojis here are breaking things. Yeah, so let's... Does adding a space just fix it? Okay, I don't know what's happening here anymore. It's just super borked. Well, we're gonna do emoji at home. Because this is really irritating me. But I like the emojis. Like, yeah. So we have emojis at home now. So now if we do this, okay. A lot more readable, at least. So let's pipe that all to temp again, and then we can look at that more clearly. Okay, so let's just get rid of these that don't have values. And this has a value, which means something has gone wrong in our program somewhere. Perhaps we're not extending something properly. Yeah, let's just get rid of everything that doesn't have a main. So let's like nuke there. Wait, let's get rid of that. There we go. So this is what everything else we have has. Many-reg looks correct, I think, just based on the way we did it. No, it's definitely not correct, actually. Even the S version is wrong, I think. Yeah, so we have a discrepancy with the O0 for this, so something has gone wrong there. I don't know why, actually. Parsing, I don't remember what it was supposed to look like. Let's look at parsing first. Oh yeah, main is just empty. Okay, that's wonderful. Maybe we could be more creative with this. Maybe we could give it like... Oh wait, no, we're supposed to test the default return there, so that's fine. We should give more of these mains, to be honest, I think. I trust the O1 and the S to be correct on this, which means I think something is wrong with our O0, but we'll worry about that in a second. Let's try... I don't know, let's try something with this. Actually, no, we'll worry about that later. Okay, let's... Int main, turn constant, fold, plus constant, fold overflow. It's constant, fold underflow. Actually, this one's stupid. Let's not do it for this. LEA is ugly. Let's change what these return. Actually, yeah, because all this just gets nuked anyway, so that's kind of awkward. You can just make all of these return A and call it a day. Let's keep pasting. Oh god. Okay. So let's just like, let's have like a main here. Why am I even doing this? Actually, these do not need executables. Or, yeah. Let's just keep it as it was. Let's not overcomplicate things. We should definitely write more tests though. Let's figure out the discrepancy here first with call chain. So this is like, this is very ugly. I trust the 34 number that we got elsewhere. So I guess we start with 0. So we add 1. Then we add 2, so that's 3. This is what? Oh, okay. I'm not gonna figure this out. I'm just gonna trust that blindly. Let's figure out why this is broken though. Okay. I wonder if we did something wrong with like saving and restoring registers then. Maybe there's some slush that we forgot about somewhere. Yeah, that's awkward. Yeah, so let's look at it from here. Let's give it call chain. Yeah, so we have main, so we just call 6th first, and we just dump it somewhere. So we call first. Yeah, there's nothing to save here, so this is fine. We do this. Yeah, okay. Then why are we doing this? Oh, right. We're just doing addition in a really ugly way. That's really funny. We're adding 0 to it. I wonder if the order we're adding is correct. This shouldn't be happening, at least in this order, I think. Right? Wait. Something is wrong. Something is very wrong. Okay, and then we make a mess. That's fine. 8 RSP. That seems wrong. Wait, what? Oh wait, no, we're saving RDR. I see. That makes sense. So then we restore it after. That's fine. Okay, and then yeah, we do that again. We deallocate the space. We move the new value to R10D. Do some addition. Yeah, that makes sense. What was EDI again? Oh, the result of the sum. I see. Wow. I don't want to read this. Wow, this sucks to read. Oh. God damn it. Okay. How about we just do this lazily again, because I'm tired. Let's ask ChatGPT again. I know I said I was gonna like not, or try to not do this, but I really don't want to do this right now. So, why is this assembly not equivalent? Let's do that. Let's do that. Main. Oh. Wait. Uh, already misaligned? Okay, wait, what is going wrong here? So it is just that, okay. Wait, so am I not saving them correctly? What is happening? Wait, what? RSP is already misaligned by 8? Oh, wait, is that a thing? Wait. I guess that makes sense. I didn't think about that. Wow. Okay, well, I'll need to figure that out later. Call pushes the return. Oh, I forgot about that. Okay. Okay. All good, all good. So then, how do we alleviate that? May do later if you call printf. I see. Okay, so I'll worry about that in the future. Is what I'm getting from this. So yeah, that makes sense. Let's go back to main. Coloring? Or wait, am I using the wrong set of registers? Maybe. Wait a second. Wait, legalize. Collie saved. Okay, so this should have color saved. Yeah. What the fuck? Wait, that doesn't make sense. Okay, I should like read the code before. Let's look at the example that it uses here. It's like on second. This stuff is fine, I think, because we're just allowing these to be clobbered. Yeah, because we don't use this anywhere. Okay, this makes sense. This addition order makes sense. I forgot how I generated it before. Okay, this should be fine. Let's look at this again. Yeah, so that should just be a save and restore for the only value we care about, which is res. Maybe we just make a smaller example of this. Oh, what's good, Panda? Good to see you. Let's try this for now. I'm not sure why it's rerunning many reg again. I guess I know why, but like it's gonna take an eternity. God damn it. Maybe I make many reg smaller again. Yeah, this is gonna take a second. There we go. Okay, let's go back here. Actually, let's do that again. Let's do that again. So one. Okay, so that's all the same. That's consistent. Let's just do that real quick, maybe. We can just like keep doing this little bit by bit and just watch paint dry while we're at it. So how's everyone's day? How's everyone doing? Everyone doing all right? Okay, generated. Let's do that again. Okay, this is consistent. I think this should be good up to this point at least, and then we can figure out what's going wrong. Accidentally joined a Discord call, whoops. Okay, that updated. This is probably the dumbest way for me to go about. Oh, wait, no, we found, okay, something is off here. I guess we could, this probably limits the amount of output we have, so we could probably look at this more closely. Yeah, let's look at o0.s. Okay, let's make a new chat actually. Why isn't this assembly getting the correct answer? Let's get rid of that. Is this seriously stack alignment? Wait, what? Wait. Do I have a bug somewhere else? Is this correct? Wait, what? No, there's no way. Wait, that's not ideal. Wait, that's really not ideal. Why is it wrong? What the fuck? Yeah, I should... What the fuck? Okay, wait. How is Inst Combine... How's the other one getting 34 here? Wait, what? How is this getting 34? What? Okay, so it is a problem in a different part, which I guess makes sense. Wait. Sorry, what? The f... At the call to fourth. So it's saying this through here. Huh. Why isn't... Wait, what? Why isn't it getting restored? Wait, what? That's not ideal. Yeah, so why isn't that getting restored then? That is the ultimate question. Okay, well this is not the error. This is not the issue I expected to have. Real quick, let's look at the tests. Real quick, all it is, oh, it's just everything? Okay. Wait, so why do I even, okay, anyway, PMO. Let's go back to legalize, I think. This is probably where it would go. Yeah, I don't understand why this would be a problem, or why this is happening, at least. So we have wait. Wait. Do we add to save and restore differently? What? Why are we generating in pairs? Like, or I understand why we're generating in pairs, but what the fuck? This shouldn't be, we shouldn't have this scenario. Like this should just be correct. I don't know why this is not popping. I know I should step through this with a debugger, but I'm lazy. Also, let me fix the alignment thing real quick. Actually, yeah, let me fix the alignment thing. We can just check if the function name is main, I think, and then call it a day. Right? Surely. Right? Wait. Oh, it's this, yeah. Okay, this might actually be a little bit annoying to do in one line, so I'll actually save that again on second thought. Yeah, I don't understand why is grr. Yeah, so we generate a push. Reach register and save. We could just print out everything and then see what happens. Yeah, we're just gonna do this a new boy. I do not care enough. What type? Oh, reg to string. Yeah, we'll do that. I don't know. This is super PMO. Let's go Skittles. I'm struggling right now. Test regression. Test regression input. We're doing call chain. Oh, this is per call. I see. Okay. So let's go to test, regression, expected. Let's go to call chain 01. All right, let's look at the assembly. So the function first has no calls. So how many calls are there? There are 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So that number is correct. Which one do we care about? Fourth, I believe. Yeah. Skull killing me right now? Damn. That is rough. What the? Wait. What the fuck? Something seems wrong about this to me. I don't know. Something seems very incorrect here. I cannot tell what, but something seems very incorrect. Why are we restoring R11 without saving an R11? Yeah, what the hell? Okay, let's just get rid of this as well. Let's just print liveness as well. This is confusing me. This is actually frying me. So let's look at the call. Maybe I have liveness set up wrong for calls actually, now that I think about it. Yeah, this is exactly what we expected, I think. So fourth has EDI and EAX. Unless liveness is offset by 1 somewhere and we're like really messing it up. Yeah, this is not the shape this should be taking, I think. Right, this doesn't seem reasonable to me. So let's just move all these to where they go. Okay, so this should be easier to read now. So this one seems correct. This one seems correct. This one seems correct. Something already doesn't make sense here. Where is R10 coming from? But sure, whatever. This definitely does not make sense. What the fuck? So something is going wrong with our liveness, I think. I do not know what, but something is not making any sense. Yeah, Jen is... what the fuck? Like this seems very nonsensical. I'm not sure how we could possibly get this combination of save and restore from this instruction. Like this actually makes zero sense. Unless we're setting the next iterator incorrectly? Oh, wait. Wait, I think I know. Wait. Let's go to legalize iIndex. What do we do with iIndex? So if it's not a call, then we just go to the next one. Do we have like an early return here at all? This should be fine. Wait, no, wait, I'm doing next iter wrong, I think. Wait, I think it's something to do with the iterator. I think I'm managing the two like iteration things incorrectly. So I guess this is what? Actually, let's just wait. Let's do it like this. We just save that. We can do whatever the hell we want to with the current iterator. Right? Why am I setting next iter here? What's the point? Oh, we're going outside in, so we don't actually need to do anything here, I think. So that should be fine. So my idea is then we can do like prev of next iter. So now we can just go back in time one. I know I should just be using like a while loop, but I mean, Lord knows at this point what is happening. I think there's some sort of an iterator mismatch that is going wrong because I made a mess. Okay, I should clean that up at least, I think. And hopefully that's everything. Okay, well this looks more coherent in a way. Right? Yeah, this looks correct now. This looks correct. Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, that makes more sense. So let's get rid of this debug info again. Let's get rid of IO stream, and then we look at what's wrong, and then we just delete what's wrong. Like that. There we go. And then we see how this looked, and then if it was correct, then we're happy, and then if it didn't, then like, yeah. We'll see. So let's regenerate. Oh no. We forgot to get rid of something. There we go. So we just changed 5 lines and we got rid of one, which is fine. That was gonna take a while. And now we wait for paint to dry again. This has been an interesting day. My Chipotle is staring at me from the desk to my side. It looks quite good and I'm quite hungry. Okay, so let's go panic test. Expected star.s sm. And I saw 41 above. I saw 41 3 times, which means they all agree now. Holy. That was an interesting bug. Git. Oh wait, I need to fix the git restore test. Fix iterator and index mismatch. Legalize. Alright, let's regenerate everything one more time. And then I think all of our tests are like correct, I think? I'm not sure. There's like some small things we need to fix here and there. But we'll worry about that when the time comes. This big regen is the big thing that I want. And then, I don't know, maybe we'll write like one more test or something, and then we'll see what happens. Okay. Yeah. So then, let's see. Let's write one more test. Let's write a test just for fun, and we'll see if it handles correctly. Let's see. What did I had an idea for a test, but I don't remember what it was. Yeah, if y'all had like any interesting tests that you could write with just like if, while, and like basic arithmetic, no arrays, that could be fun. Someone suggested Fibonacci a while back, actually. I might take a look at that, actually. Let's write fib.c. Fibrec. Why am I writing def? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's not. Oh my god, it's not Rust. Oh my god. It's not even Rust. What language uses def again? I forget. Okay. Let's do. Let's see. How do we do equality? What operators do we have again, actually? I don't remember. This is a big problem. We have op. Do we have like a... Do we have not? We don't have not? Okay, we don't have not. What's our base case? This is hard. I don't remember how to do Fibonacci. Or how do I do Fibonacci without without reasonable operators? So we want, let's just write it normally, and then we can figure out what to do with our operators. So if n equals 1 or n equals 2, and return 1, and return fibrec of n minus 1 plus fibrec of n minus 2. I think that handles the cases, right? Yeah, okay. So we could invert this, actually. So we could write this in a really stupid way. So then if, so if n minus 1 and minus 2. So this is the opposite case. So this is so if it's greater than 2, then both of these will be, wait. No, I'm doing this wrong. This is so stupid. What am I doing? Not having a not is actually a really big problem here. Why did I pick these operands so that I couldn't... Do we have to do more front-end work? I don't want to add not. C operator precedence. I swear... Oh, we don't have equality operators. Oh. Okay, well that might be an important one to add. I don't want to generate that though, that's like annoying. Okay, we're gonna write Fibonacci in some stupid way. And by we, I mean ChatGPT is gonna write in some stupid way. Write recursive C Fibonacci, but without not. Oh yeah, I could do it like that. Wait, do it without equality as well. Do it without comparators at all. This is so stupid. What the hell? You know what? We'll do it like this. We'll do it like that. This is so dumb. Yeah, so if n and if what, n minus 1, and we can throw that in there. And then that case returns 1. This is return 0. This is so dumb. Okay, all right. Anyway, let's continue. I really wish I had written the runtime library already. That would have been nice. I would be able to do a little bit more with my time if I had that. Alright, let's also to do the same iteratively. Do it iteratively now instead of recursively. Yeah, this makes sense. This is so stupid. We're just gonna copy this. Yeah, so we can do that. Yeah, okay, we do that. So while n... Oh my god, this is so dumb. Wait, we have minus equals. Yippee. Yeah, so this makes sense. Yeah, and then we propagate it down and then return. Okay, sure. Let's give it like the 10th recursive one and then plus fib it. Let's give it like the 100th one. We can make this an interesting benchmark of sorts as well. Oh. What? What? Wait, what the fuck? Well, that's a new one. What broke? Okay, we have a bug somewhere. We have another bug somewhere that we need to catch. I'm surprised we haven't found this yet. I guess we could look at the test at least. What's good, Niraj? Good to see you. Oh wait, do I have while loops? No, I definitely have while loops. This should be working. So why is this borked? Okay, well I'm guessing there's like something wrong with my SSA construction then. Wow. Wait, not even actually. No, this is just lowering that's broken. Let's Valgrind this. Never really needed testing for something. Yeah, I mean, fair enough. Like, I guess if it works, it works. What the fuck? How the hell? Okay, wait, so this is HR to MIR. So there's a map here somewhere. $321. What? Wait, what? Oh my god, it doesn't handle recursion. Oh my god, wait, I forgot about recursion. Wait. This can't handle, my compiler can't handle recursion. Oh no. Wait, this is really bad. I guess it's not a bad thing in some sense. In another sense, it's quite bad. Okay, that's actually really annoying. Wow. How do I handle this here? Who uses recursion anyway? I do. I want my little language features. Oh my god, this is really annoying. Oh no. Oh, I did not remember that was a thing. Wow. Yeah, that's annoying. That's very annoying. Wow. Refer to functions by IDs and calls? I see. Yeah, I remember here. Oh my god, it's been so long. I think I have like a thing where I like rewrite things somewhere. So we have like we have like connect basic blocks. So I could probably do something like that for like function names, but oh my god, this is a slush pile. Wow, I hate this. How exactly does it not handle recursion? No, the parser handles recursion fine. The problem is, I'm trying to refer to a function that does not yet exist because I'm currently building the current function. Wow. Wow, oh my god, wow. Wow, okay. I might have to just like make a null pointer and then like make a setter. Or just like use null pointer as default. Okay, well that's a problem for next time at least. Let's add all. Oh, let's not add that. Start fib test, but we can't do recursion. Lol. So what happens if we run tests? Oh, just seg faults. I see. Okay, well that's fine. We'll just push it even though it's seg faults. Yeah, I guess that's a fun thing for me to work on next time. Allow recursion. Write more tests. Okay. I think that's a pretty good spot to be in though. Like, we do have like CodeGen and it works for the average test that we have. We just literally need more tests now. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this overall. Yeah, we'll work on this next time. Make compiler work. Yeah, I mean, I think that was pretty accurate. You know what? Yeah, make compiler work. Get more money. Okay, let's actually get rid of that. Anyways, thank you all so much for showing up today. If you haven't already, sub to the channel, like the stream. It helps out a lot with the algorithm and gets my content out to more people, which is always appreciated. While you're down there, check out the description. My Discord is there. It's the best place to get pinged when I go live and stay connected with everyone in the community. Also, my GitHub, my LinkedIn are there. My GitHub sponsors is there. Feel free to add me or give me money, I guess. Go outside? Impossible. Yeah. Yeah, it is rough. Yeah. Take care, y'all. Take it easy. I'm gonna sit in a call and watch people play Valorant now. And I will see you all tomorrow.